What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with MyEcon without recruiting, and how you can join MyEcon holiday promotion that they are running right now. Okay, here's the thing. MyEcon is running a promotion. You can get in for a low price right now, not the normal $47.95 or round it off to $50. You can actually get in for a lower price right now, okay? And they are running this promotion for a limited time. We don't know exactly how long or when it's going to end. It could end, after Thanksgiving. It could end after Christmas, but I'm not sure. They had a call the other night. I'm not sure when there is really going to happen. So I don't want to say it's going to end on a certain date, and I really don't know. But here's the thing. I've been in a situation where, I struggle financially, okay? I worked 2 jobs just to make ends meet. During that time, I missed out on a lot of my children's activities. You know what I'm saying? All 3 of my daughters were cheerleaders in high school. I missed out on all of that, basketball games, football games, and things like that they were cheering at. They were in track. I missed out on track meets, but worst of all, I missed out on them when I came home, because when I made it home, they were in the bed because they had to go to school the next day. The next morning I was going to work, and so there was a lot of time missed between, me and my children. And those are memories I can't get back. It's just point blank, and the memories they have is that daddy wasn't there, but they don't hold that against me because they knew daddy had to do what he had to do. Okay. So I worked 2 jobs, struggled financially. I had credit cards. I had department store cards. I had loans all over town. I had my house note, car notes. I had just bills, the regular bills, to keep the lights on, telephone, things like that. And it was just a struggle, and we struggled for a long time, and I don't know your situation. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know what you're dealing with, but maybe you're in that situation right now. And look, a lot of people get stressed out round about this time of the year because they're trying to get money, get a hold of some money just so their kids, or just so they can have a good Christmas, a good holiday season. But so many people get stressed out because of the lack of money, when a company like MyEcon actually shows you how to add an additional $200 to $500 plus back into your paycheck, every month. What could you do with that money round about this time of the year? I mean, really think about it. Now, MyEcon teaches you strategies how to put that money to work for you. But if you took that money now and did your Black Friday, if you took that money now and did your holiday shopping, and then afterwards you really took that money and started following the strategies in MyEcon, okay, that's going to help you get out of debt, okay. To me, a lot of people sit around there waiting, and I have talked to people about MyEcon, and the husband would get on it, but the wife didn't want to get on it, or vice versa, simply because of the refund that they was going to get back at the end, at the beginning of the year. But here's the thing. We, and I say we because I went through it. I lived for the refund. We lived for the refund, and we want to think how much money we're going to get back. $5,000, $7,000 in April, or January, whatever the month that it comes out. But you take that money, you go spend it, you blow it. You say you're going to pay bills, but you don't, or you pay a few bills, but you don't pay all the bills. And then we just blow the money, and you're back in that cycle again and again and again. Something has to change, okay? Point blank. And I can't change it for you. You're going to have to make a decision that you are wanting to change now. And now MyEcon is giving you that opportunity to do it right now. Okay. So what you can do right now, MyEcon is running a promotion where you can get in right now for $27.95. Okay, the price has dropped $20. Okay, you can come in now, follow the first strategy in MyEcon, and get back into your household, back into your paycheck, $200 to $500 plus. Now that depends upon your situation. That if you're single, it's going to be less. Okay, if you're married, it could be more. But it all depends upon your situation. Okay, so that's not for me to sit up and say you guarantee 200 up to 500. It could be $50. Okay, it could be $100. Okay, but whatever the however it is, what does it matter if that's money that you're just giving away to the government that you can get back into your household to use towards something? Okay, MyEcon teaches you the financial strategy that you need to get out of the situation that you're in. Okay, and so like I said, right now they're running a holiday promotion. It's a limited time, so you need to hurry. If you're going to get in, you can get in tonight. It's going to start at 12 o'clock tonight, midnight, okay, Eastern time. Okay, Eastern time. So don't go checking right now, going to the website right now to sign up. Wait until after 12 o'clock tonight or November the 17th. Okay, so then you can get started. You can get signed up. Look, this company, this has changed my situation. This has changed my life. It taught me things that I did not know, things I would not have known if it had not been for that phone call I got one day from that young lady. Okay, and I put the strategies to work. I can tell you right now, my house is paid for, our vehicles are paid for, everything is taken care of. We have a emergency fund set up. I'm getting into the investments and things like that. Do I have a huge downline in MyEcon? No, because I want people to come in MyEcon and learn the strategies, not about recruiting. Learn the strategy and apply the strategies, and then and only then after you do that, if you want to promote the business opportunity, then you can do that simply because you are a testimonial to the strategies that MyEcon offer. You can use a strategy, just like I told you my story about MyEcon. You can tell your story about MyEcon. It's just like sharing a movie, but you can't share the movie unless you have actually went and seen the movie. Okay? Don't tell me how good a restaurant food is if you haven't eaten it yourself. Okay? And so I can tell you how good MyEcon is because I have experienced it for myself, what it has done and what it is doing right now in my life. Okay? I'm just going to say it like this. If you're tired of struggling, if you're tired of going through the same old, that cycle, it's time to break the cycle. Okay? There are a lot of people out there joining these different home-based business opportunities simply because they want to make more money when the money is right there in their reach and they don't have to recruit a single person with MyEcon. Okay? It's just that simple. You do not have to recruit. There are people in MyEcon that have never recruited a person and they are millionaires. They have MyEcon as a business and they have offline businesses as well, all because they follow the strategies in MyEcon. Okay, so I hope the story that I told, and it's a true story, you know what I'm saying, I remember it well. I worked a job for 21 years, and out of those 21 years I probably worked a part-time job for 10 or more and struggling. Don't you do the same thing. You don't have to go through the cycle. There is a way out. Okay, and if you want to get out, I'm gonna ask you right now, you click that link in the description and get started with MyEcon. Remember, the promotion starts tonight after 12 o'clock midnight Eastern time. Okay, so don't sign up right now, because if you do, it's still going to be the $47.95. Wait till after midnight tonight, and then you can get signed up tomorrow. Once you get signed up, get in contact with me. My information will be in the description. My phone number, my Facebook information will be in the description. Get signed up. Let's get going. I'm not pushing you to promote or recruit anybody. I want you to do the strategies. Okay? I want you to do the strategies, apply the strategy. Then you are your own testimony that it works. Okay? So with that being said, that's the end of this video. I didn't want to make it too long. Click that link in the description to get signed up tonight after 12 o'clock midnight for $27.95, and then it's going to be $34.95. So you're getting a $20 discount. Get signed up, get started. Let's get you going. You can have some money in your pocket after Black Friday. You know, unless you get paid next week. If you get this done tonight, get your form filled out and turned in Monday on your next paycheck, you should see a difference. Now, like I said, that all depends upon your situation. Okay? It depends upon your situation. Not mine, not anybody else's. If you're single, less. If you're married, more. Or if you're single, it could be more. I really don't know. But you won't know unless you test it out. So with that being said, I'm out of here. I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Go ahead and get signed up tonight. Click that link in the description. Feel free to give me a call. Feel free to contact me, and let's get you going. I will do a Zoom or whatever it takes to get you going and get this thing done this weekend. All right? Because I want you to get the money back into your household. I want to help you get out of debt as best I can. And if I don't know the answer to something, I know how to get a hold of somebody who can get you the answer. So I want to thank all of you all tonight, all of my subscribers. If you watch this video, thank you. If you're watching it later on, thank you. But I thank you all for all of the support that you're giving to me and towards my channel. And like this video, share this video with someone you know who's in a financial situation, financial crisis, that want to get out, and they want out now. Okay? So with that being said, click the link in the description, get signed up, and I will see you on the other side. Peace. Have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow.